Running economy analysis, covering how the numbers work, what you see step by step. Running economy means how fast you can run for the same effort. PIRX finds runs where your heart rate was in a matched band, for example, 140-155 BPM, and compares the pace you ran at that heart rate now versus earlier. Shows your running economy by comparing baseline pace versus current pace at the same heart rate. Key numbers: efficiency gain percentage, HR cost change percentage, and a table of intensity levels with baseline, current, and delta values. Running economy compares pace at the same heart rate over time. The backend selects activities where the average HR falls within a matched band, default 140-155 BPM. Strava tells you what you did. Garmin shows your data. PIRX tells you why it happened and what's next. Read the full guide at pirx.ca/docs and start your 14-day free trial today.